Welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to source for all things beauty. Today, we're diving into a game-changing product for anyone who's ever wanted to cut their own hair at home with precision and ease, the Self-Cut System Angel Lights Tripod 3-Way Mirror. This unique tool promises to revolutionize your at-home grooming routine. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Self-Cut System Angel Lights Tripod 3-Way Mirror is designed with convenience and stability in mind. It features a trifold mirror design that allows for easy visibility of the back and sides of your head, which is essential for a successful self-haircut. The mirror itself is made from 100% crystal clear glass, ensuring distortion-free clarity, so you can see every angle of your hair without any issues. One of the standout features of this mirror is the built-in LED lights. They're strategically placed to provide excellent illumination, which is crucial when you're cutting your hair, especially in dimly lit rooms. Whether you're trimming your hair in the morning or evening, these lights ensure you get a clear, professional-level view of your haircut, no matter the time of day. This mirror also offers some flexibility, with both cordless and corded functionality. If you're looking for portability, you can use the mirror without any cords. But if you need a bit more power, you can plug it in. The adjustable height is another great feature, allowing the mirror to extend up to 7 feet. This ensures that it can accommodate users of different heights, making it comfortable for almost anyone to use. Another thoughtful addition is the attachable clipper and trimmer tray. This helps keep all your grooming tools organized and accessible during your haircut, saving you time and minimizing the frustration of searching for your tools mid-cut. It's these small but meaningful touches that elevate this product beyond just a standard mirror. In terms of usability, I found the mirror surprisingly easy to incorporate into my grooming routine. Setting it up was a breeze, and I appreciate how stable the tripod is, especially when compared to other home haircut mirrors I've used. The clarity of the reflection was spot on, and the LED lighting really made a difference in terms of visibility. The adjustable height was also a great feature, as I didn't have to hunch over or strain to see my hair properly. However, as with any product, there are a few considerations. While the mirror is stable, it's important to have a solid, flat surface to place it on, as the tripod relies on this for support. Some users may also find the LED lights a little too bright, but that's subjective and depends on personal preference. Let's talk about value for money. This mirror comes with a premium price tag, but considering the features it offers, I do think it's justified. The high-quality construction, clear glass, and adjustable features are worth the investment, especially for anyone serious about self-haircuts. The added bonus of the free tutorial app is also a nice touch, providing you with the guidance needed to achieve professional results at home. Compared to other self-haircut mirrors on the market, the Self-Cut System Angel Lights Tripod Mirror stands out with its stability, crystal clear glass, and unique LED lighting. While there are cheaper alternatives available, none seem to offer the same level of detail and functionality that this product does, particularly with its attachable tray for tools and flexible height adjustment. The build quality is excellent. The tripod is sturdy, and the materials feel premium, which contributes to its overall longevity. There's no sign of wear and tear after consistent use, and it's easy to store or move around due to its lightweight nature. The adjustable height mechanism also feels solid, so you don't have to worry about it sagging over time. As for customer support, I've had positive experiences with the Self-Cut System brand. They're responsive and committed to ensuring users get the best experience possible. If you ever encounter an issue, you can trust that the brand will handle it promptly. If you're looking for something a little more budget-friendly, there are other mirrors with similar features out there. However, you'll likely have to sacrifice the premium quality and additional features that come with the Self-Cut System mirror, such as the LED lights and adjustable height. So if you're willing to invest in a high-quality, long-lasting mirror with everything you need for a self-haircut, this one is a solid choice. So who would I recommend this mirror for? If you're someone who regularly cuts your own hair, or even if you're just looking to maintain your style in between salon visits, this is a fantastic tool. The design and functionality make it easy to achieve precise, salon-quality cuts at home. If you're looking for a mirror with excellent lighting, height adjustability, and a handy tool tray, this product is definitely worth considering. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.